2000 on the greatest hits of breakfast. Thank God it's Friday and it's almost a quarter past 8 already. So it's all about holidays and breaks,
I
etc.,
see
etc. from
you.
the
Good dance.
8:33 this morning. And some brilliant suggestions coming in. Andy Mills in Wolsey, good morning to you. What about 10cc's Dreadlock Holiday?
Okay,
Thank you
bird.
very much for suggesting that. Have a lovely weekend in beautiful Somerset.
Bird.
James Pickard in Willesden. Typically tropical
Right.
we're going to Barbados. It brings me back instant memories of a 2-week holiday in Great Yarmouth as a carefree 16-year-old. Spencer says, with breaking the title, what about the brilliant Tears for Fears song, Break It Down Again? Another fabulous suggestion. Hello to Paul in Totnes in Devon also. What about Hooray Hooray Holiday by Boney M? That's getting quite a few nods this morning, actually, that particular song by Boney M. Krista, hello to you in Manchester. What about the brilliant Alice Cooper, School's Out for Summer, August 1972, and that peaked at #1 here in the charts. KDP in Plymouth, listen every morning. I would like to
Good morning,
recommend
Rocky.
Fly Away by Mr. Lenny Kravitz. Thank you very much for getting in touch. Lovely to hear from you. Keep your text coming in, 61054. Start your text with Rossi. If you want to email me, Rossi at greatesthitsradio.co.uk. If you're having a little bit of a break, then says Scott in Muggy, South Yorkshire, the Rolling Stones and Times on my side. Yeah, I can see why you went for that. Right then, let's play you this from 1978. John Paul Young, Love is in the Air, on the greatest hits at breakfast.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
Come here.
I see you. Good dance. Okay, dance. Woo. 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 Okay, okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? You dancing? Okay, dance. Monkey dance. Okay. Okay.
John Paul Young and Love is in the Air. Greatest hits of breakfast,
What
biggest
you
songs of the
doing?
70s, 80s, and 90s. That was
Hello.
1978. Not so much love in the air for me yesterday. I jumped in the air.
Okay, dance.
Walking up Jeansgate in the pouring rain. I was wearing shorts. And you know when you get a
Go on, Sid.
loose paving stone
Dance, dance,
and it
dance.
stores water on underneath.
Hello.
You know, people have underfloor heating. I think pavements have
Hello.
underfloor freezing or chilling. Because I stood on this and it went up the back of my shorts.
Rocky.
And it went to places where the sun
Rocky.
doesn't shine. I actually sounded like Michael Jackson. I learned that a big. So I did walking up Dean's Gate in Manchester yesterday.
You. Hello.